Hi guys, today we are going to make my homemade whole wheat pizza crust. I'm also going to show you 2 creative ways that you can make a delicious vegan pizza. So let's get started. Okay, now that our dough is prepped and it's sitting back here rising, we can get started on some of our pizza toppings. I'm gonna make 2 different pizzas today. I'm gonna do a Hawaiian pizza with pineapple, jalapeno, onion, and some sweet and spicy tofu that I made ahead of time. The other pizza is going to be a BBQ Seitan Pizza with peppers and onions and some fresh cilantro. I'm very excited to try these 2 new flavors out. You can put whatever toppings you want to put on your pizza, but I will definitely show you what we're going to use for ours today. I'm also going to make a kale salad. I'm not going to show how to make the kale salad because I already do have a video on that, but it pairs excellent with the pizza, so I definitely recommend you make one of those too. All right, let's get prepping. Okay, prepping has gone good so far. I finished up some cilantro, some bell peppers, onions. I opened up a can of pineapples. I poured the juice out to save for tomorrow morning. I like to throw it in the smoothie when I have a little bit lying around. Fresh pineapple is obviously superior, but I had a can on the shelf and that's what we're gonna use today. I also found, randomly, some tofu ricotta in my fridge that I made for a pasta bake a few nights ago. So I want to use that up. So I'm going to put a few dabs of tofu ricotta on my pizza today. Here is my sweet and spicy tofu that I made ahead of time. I used a little bit of maple syrup and chili paste in there and mixed it all up. And I have my barbecue seitan. This is store-bought seitan that I shredded up and added barbecue sauce to. That's gonna be really good on top of our pizza. But what you wanna do right now when you are about 30 minutes away from making your pizza is preheating the oven to 425 and putting your pizza stone in the oven to get nice and hot. If your pizza stone is nice and hot, then you have really, really crispy crust. So I went ahead and put that in there already. And then we're gonna put a little bit of cornmeal on it and then put our pizza on there to bake. Okay. Okay, now we are ready to stretch out our pizza dough to make our pizza. So I grabbed one of the dough balls that I had that were rising, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of flour on my surface here on the counter, and just gonna stretch the dough in circles here to get nice and even. Okay guys, our pizzas are done baking. The last little bit of garnish that I'm gonna add to my barbecue pizza is a little bit of fresh chopped cilantro. So I'm gonna put that right here on top. Actually, I think cilantro can go in both pizzas. Cilantro is really, really good. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video today. There's just one thing left to do. We have to try our pizza. This is the Hawaiian. Fantastic, perfect crust. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great night.